Get infinity night vision in Minecraft. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you get or make night vision potion in Minecraft. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. In order to craft a night vision potion, follow these steps. Make a blaze powder using a blaze rod. On the next field, you need to make a crafting table using 4 wood plank. 4 wood planks, a type of plank will do, wrap plank or crimson plank as well. Similarly, the other way is to put your crafting table on the ground and interact with it to bring up the 3x crafting grid. On the next field, you need to craft a brewing stand by placing a blaze rod in the middle of and a cobblestone in the second row. Then what you have to do is you need to place a brewing stand on the ground and interact with it to open the brewing menu. Then you need to add a blaze powder to the upper left box to activate the brewing stand. Then add a water bottle to one of the 3 boxes at the top of the brewing menu. Add a Nether Wart to the top of the box of the brewing menu. On the next field, wait for a brewing process to complete. When a progress bar is full, your bottle will contain an awkward position. And add a golden carrot on top of the box of the brewing menu. Wait for a brewing process to complete. When the process bar is full, your bottle will contain a potion of night vision, and that is how you do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.